All right, hopefully at this point you have finished your body paragraphs, you've color-coded them, you've edited them, you've written your intro, now it's time to write your conclusion. Remember, the conclusions are the same as literally every other conclusion we've written this semester. You need to restate your thesis, but in different words. Okay, don't just copy and paste a sentence. You've got to rephrase the sentence, but it's the same general idea. Then summarize your main points you've just talked about. And then finally, explain why this topic, heroism, and either heroes changing or staying the same, why is that important to readers? What can readers learn from this? So your conclusion, again, might be 3 sentences. This is might be 2, so it might be 4 sentences. My sample conclusion is, my restated thesis is that based on Odysseus and Atticus's traits of heroism throughout their respective texts, modern heroes share much in common with their epic predecessors. So this is my thesis again, the idea that they're similar, that the heroes have not changed that much over time. And I've got to summarize my main points. These characters attest that readers and writers from ancient times through to today all value heroes who use their wits to solve problems, that was paragraph 1, have strong ties to their families, that was paragraph 2, and who can look to the future with a sense of hope instead of defeat. That was my 3rd paragraph. So I've summarized my main points, and then I have to explain what can readers learn from the fact that heroes haven't changed. So what I decided to talk about was the fact that, you know, these are obviously traits that everybody looks up to. So if you try to emulate these traits, you can also be a hero. So the way I explain that in my paragraph is, humanity respected these characteristics in Homer's time and still respect these characteristics now, illustrating the personality traits that anyone can strive towards if they too want to gain heroic status one day. Right? And I could elaborate on that if I wanted to, but those are my three, check. My conclusion did all that it needs to do. And if you need help, you have to ask me. You can't just magically think you're going to solve your problem if you don't know what you're doing and you don't ask. So please, if you're confused about the conclusion still, or you need suggestions, come see me. I'm not going to tell you what to write. That's your job. But I can help you brainstorm, figure it out yourself. And then you should have all 5 paragraphs.